Trump versus the Fed: why Bitcoin surged as stocks crashed. April 21, 2025. Donald Trump just dropped a financial bomb on Truth Social, calling Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell Mr. Too Late, a major loser, and demanding immediate rate cuts. The next day, Wall Street crumbled. But Bitcoin, it climbed. Let's break down how Trump's fiery post shook the global economy and why Bitcoin may be turning into the ultimate safe haven asset. On April 22, 2025, traditional markets plunged. The Dow Jones fell 971.82 points, that's a 2.48% drop. The S&P 500 sank by 2.36%. The Nasdaq, down 2.55%, hammering tech stocks like Tesla, down 7%, and Nvidia, down 4.5%. Investor panic surged as fears of political interference in U.S. monetary policy grew. Amid the chaos, Bitcoin rose to $88,446, up 0.99% on the day. In a clear divergence, Bitcoin held strong while stocks buckled. Why? 3 big reasons. 1. Safe haven play. Bitcoin is increasingly seen like digital gold, a hedge against inflation and policy unpredictability. 2. Decoupling confirmed. This isn't the first time in 2025. Back on April 4th, Bitcoin rose even as Nasdaq tumbled. The correlation is breaking. 3. Political uncertainty. Trump's pressure on the Fed makes fiat look shaky. Investors seek non-political assets, and Bitcoin fits the bill. Gold and cryptocurrencies have long been seen as safe havens during economic uncertainty. As traditional markets waver, investors often turn to these assets to protect their wealth. This relationship has only grown stronger in recent times. It wasn't just Bitcoin. Gold soared to $3,465.48 per ounce, even hitting an intraday peak of $3,499.88. This dual surge in gold and Bitcoin shows investors are hedging hard, prepping for potential economic fallout. The US dollar hit its lowest level since 2022. That's another green flag for decentralized assets like Bitcoin. International investors are diversifying. With China slashing US commodity imports and global trade tensions spiking, Bitcoin is becoming a global buffer zone. In the complex world of financial regulations, the landscape is ever-changing. As we draw to a close, it's important to recognize how these regulations impact the market and Bitcoin's role within it. Trump's play isn't just chaos, it's strategy. He appointed Paul Atkins, a known crypto advocate, as SEC chair just a day before the Powell post. Atkins has promised clearer digital asset regulations, potentially unlocking massive institutional adoption. And let's not forget, Trump signed an order in March to create a strategic Bitcoin reserve. This is a turning point. Bitcoin isn't just speculative anymore. It's becoming a macro asset. But beware. Fed policy remains unpredictable, market volatility is still high, and geopolitics could shift investor sentiment overnight. Still, the trend is clear. Bitcoin is earning its safe haven stripes. As political fireworks light up Wall Street, Bitcoin is quietly building its reputation as a financial fortress. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and join our community. The link is in the bio.